Welcome. If you want to turn on or turn off autocorrection in your Samsung Galaxy M51, for the first you have to go for the settings, and right now we have to scroll down to reach the general management. Click on the language and input. Here we have to go for the on-screen keyboard and select keyboard that we are using. So in this case we are going to use the Samsung keyboard. And here we have to tap on the smart typing, and as you can see in this place we got the predictive text. So simply we have to tap on the switcher to turn it off, and if you want to activate it back, just click it one more time, and when the switcher is in the blue color it means that this option is activated. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.